Good afternoon, everyone. Good day to you, wherever you are listening to me. You are highly welcome to the Maths and Physics YouTube channel. You are highly welcome. This is another problem under the mathematics given to us is a chalkboard, and I want you to learn from this. This is another problem of mathematics that I want each and every one of us to gain today. Don't forget, as we do said, that any moment you are watching this video, make sure you share it, make sure you like it, and subscribe for the benefit of the others. If you are gaining this, or if you are gaining from this, please let others that want to know, let them share. We don't know who will help the others tomorrow. I pray that the Lord Almighty will continue to bestow His pure knowledge over each and every one of us. Thank you so much as you are doing so. Okay, ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi alápọ̀nlé, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, ilẹ̀ Haúsá ní ilẹ̀ Ìgbò ní àyèkébi tó bá ti ń gbọ́ mi tó gbọ́ èdè tí mò ń sọ yìí. Mo kí gbogbo àwọn onílágbára Elédùà, àwọn oníròǹdè sọ̀nà bí ó bá ṣe ibi ọ̀nà. Ohun tí mo ń gbìyànjú láti sọ ní òyìnbó náà ni wípé a káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì yìí níbi tí a ti yọ ọ̀bẹ àti àdá àti àwọn ìṣòro lórí ìṣirò àbí lórí èdè físíìsì ní títí ẹ̀. Àmọ́ lónìí èyí tí wọ́n fún wa náà ni ìṣòro tẹ̀ ń wò ní ojú pátákó yìí tí gbogbo wa jọ ń wò tí ó gbọ́mọ pọ̀n kódà ó tún ní wò lórí, ìyẹn ní x and y. A wá gbìyànjú àjọ ojú pátákó yìí, a ó jọ bù ládàá díẹ̀ láti jọ kún wẹ́lẹ́wẹ́lẹ́ tí a ó ti padà rí ánsá wa láti jọ mọ̀ lọ́lé níbẹ̀ bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ohun tí mo wá gbìyànjú láti sọ ni pé ìwọ tó ń wò mí bó ṣe ń wò yìí, ìwọ náà gbìyànjú bá wa gbìyànjú share kínní yìí, share fídíò yìí, gbìyànjú kó fẹ́ràn rẹ̀, gbìyànjú kó sì bá wa ṣe kínní, kó bá wa subscribe sí i. Torí wípé ta ló mọ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n bá share rẹ̀, ó lè jẹ́ pé àwọn tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá share rẹ̀ fún làwọn náà ní ti ìmọ̀ lórí nǹkan yìí. Ìwọ dẹ̀ ti mọ̀, táwọn náà mọ̀, kó jẹ́ kí wọ́n jẹ àǹfààní rẹ̀, káǹfààní kó lè pọ̀. Torí wípé ta ló mẹ́ni tí ó ràn ẹnìkan lọ́wọ́? Kò sí. Torí tẹ́nìkan bá máa pọ̀ ń lo wọn ràn ẹnìkan lọ́wọ́ ni, ó ṣeé ṣe kó jókòó kó tì. Ìyẹn jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kókó ọ̀rọ̀ ti tòní ni wípé bí wọ́n bá sọ pé ò ní sórí fẹ́nìkan, rántí pé Elédùà tó bá ti kó orí mọ́ yóò kúkú jẹ, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ni? Òun ló ṣe mọ́mọ́ ìyá méje tó jẹ́ pé àkọ́bí ò là, ẹ̀kejì náà ò là, ìkẹta ò là, ẹlẹ́ẹ̀keje ló mọ̀ gbẹ̀bí tá à ń sọ yìí ká. Ọmọ àákàyìn òun lọ́lọ́run bá lékè ọlá wa kọ́ lálé lọ́wọ́. Ìbá ti pẹ́ gbọ́n àtàbúrò tí mọ̀ pé òun ní òṣè ni, gbogbo wọn bá ti lópa tí wọ́n bá ní bó bá yá kọ́ lọ́n gbọ́ láǹfà wọn. Ta ló mọ̀ ẹni tí ọ̀rẹ́ nìkan lọ́wọ́? Bọ́dà àǹtí tó ń gbọ́ mi tó ń wò mí, ìwọ náà gbìyànjú gbogbo tó bá ti mọ̀ ní ti dáadáa, jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn náà jẹ́ ń bẹ́ẹ̀. Gbogbo tó bá ti mọ̀ ní ti dáadáa, ìwọ náà ṣèrànlọ́wọ́ fáwọn èèyàn. Torí wípé ta ló mọ̀ ẹni tá ràn lọ́wọ́ t'Elédùà tó fi gbàdúrà tiẹ̀ náà. Wọ́n lágbára Elédùà, ojú tó ń wò mí mo lẹ́ẹ̀ ní fọ́ láíláí. Gbogbo ọpọlọ tí ò jí, àmọ́ tó bá ti ń wo fídíò ìpọlọpọlọ náà ó ti máa jí sọ́nà àbí tó dáa. Ọlọ́run yóò gbà, Ọlọ́run yóò ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ bá mi fẹ́ràn kan, ẹ má gbàgbé, please share, subscribe, view and watch it. The Lord will bless you. Let's go. Now, the question says, if 3 all over 4 raised to power x into bracket of 2 all over 3 raised to power y is equal to 32 all over 27. That is the question for you. And then the question now says, evaluate 2x plus y. Ìtumọ̀ ni wípé wọ́n ní 3 all over 4 raised to power x and 2 over 3 raised to power y is equal to 32 over 7. The basic question says, evaluate 2x plus y. How are we going to evaluate this? Now let's go. Now, the first thing we are going to do, solution. We have 3 all over 4, everything raised to power x, multiplied by 2 all over 3, everything raised to power y is equal to, don't forget that this is 32. Quickly change 32 to the power of 2. that is 2 raised to power 5, and change 27 to the power of 3, that is 3 raised to power 3. Good. We are moving to that end. Now, from here, you can be able to see that you have your this. Recall, let me see that. Recall that a all over b raised to power x can also be a raised to power x over b raised to power x. No doubt about that. That is the law. Now comes here. But before you open this bracket, this is 2 raised to power 2. Everything raised to power this multiplied by 2 raised to power y all over 3 raised to power y. Can you see? Therefore, this one is 2 raised to power 5 all over 3 raised to power 3. I think you are following me. Nígbà tó ti rí báyìí, n tó máa ṣẹ́kù náà ni wípé èyí náà lọ gba kí ni o 3 raised to power y at 3 raised to power x, 3 raised to power x all over 2 raised to power 2x multiplied by 2 raised to power y all over 3 raised to power y equals to 2 raised to power this all over 3 raised to power 3. Can you see this now? Then the next thing that you are going to do is that you have 3 here, you have 2 here, you have 3 here, you have 2 here. You know that it is multiplication is in between them. There is a law that says that what I can leave this if the 2 is here. So far that I have 2 raised to power, nígbà yẹn pé 2 raised to power 5 níbi tí mo ní ta yìí, mo dẹ̀ ní 2 over 3 níbí. A jẹ́ pé nínú àwọn tó wà nínú ìwọ lè gbé wọn papọ̀. Báwo ni màá ṣe gbé wọn? Rántí pé nínú law of indices, tá a bá ní a raised to power x all over b raised to power x, mo lè gbé lè wá sókè or kí n pè ní y. Tẹ́lẹ̀ bá ti wá sókè yóò di minus y. Ó lè jẹ́ a all over b x raised to power this àbí. If something like that can be occur, simply means that I can leave this here. I can leave this here. I can leave 2 up to find that the 2 is up here. Therefore, I can have 2 raised to power y. When 2s goes up, it will be minus 2s. All over. This will be here. This is y. Then I can bring this one down to be minus s. I think you can get what I'm saying. You see that I have 2 over 3 outside. Then make this left hand side also to be 2 raised 2 all over 3 as well. Look at what I did. Mo fi 2 into 1 ilẹ̀. Mo wá gbé power ilé. Ṣó mọ̀ pé tó bá ti lè gòkè wá, yóò di minus òjijì. Mo fi ilé ilẹ̀. Tí lè bá ti lè wá gbélé ìsàlẹ̀, yóò di minus. Power wọn nìkan mo need. Then mo ti gbélé ya wọn. Ó ipò ti lọ tọ́ wà ń ta. That is 2 raised to power 5 over 3 raised to power 3. Ó ipò kò sí ní tó lé tó kórí o bí àṣà ọ̀gá mi kan tí mo máa ń wo fídíò wọn, ìyẹn Abdulwakil Wiki kọlọmọ ṣàánú bàbá náà yóò ní kó lè tó kórí o àbẹ́ rẹ̀ ni yóò lẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n balùwẹ̀ èmi náà yá slogan rẹ̀. No problem, my own slogan is quite different, but mo fi ṣàpọ́nlé arákùnrin náà kọ́ba ní gbàdúrà rẹ̀. Now ẹgbẹ́ bá mi ṣí àfídíò yìí ẹjẹ́ kó kan bàbá yẹn lára pé ojoojúmọ́ tí má dẹ̀ ti parí o tó máa ṣàdúrà tí wọ́n ṣe fún yẹn mo tẹ̀ bá ṣe ń kọ́ ọ náà màá tó sọ fún náà ẹ bá ń ṣí àfídíò yẹn ẹjẹ́ kó kan lára kọ́ba ní gbàdúrà rẹ̀ níbi ọmọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ kú sí gbogbo náà tó bá jábí àmọ́ bá ń ṣàdúrà fún ọkùnrin yẹn. Now kí ni wọ́n gbìyànjú láti sọ ní pé yá pé kí wọ́n ti jọra wọn ó rí pé ò lè tó korí o. Therefore you have 2 all over 3. Don't forget that this one it is y raised to power minus 2s. This one is y raised to power y minus x. Then everything equals to 2 raised to power 5 over 3 raised to power 3. There is no problem anymore. Equal base. Therefore, you can say that what y, okay, you call it what? Equal what? Equal base. We can have it as what? As equal base, which y minus 2s is equal to 5 and y minus s equals to 3 is now turned to simultaneous equation. Then I can bring out that y is equal to 3 minus 3 plus what? 3 plus x. That one is its equation 3. Substitute for y in equation 1. When you substitute for your y in equation 1, what do? Y is this. Then you now have 3 plus x minus 2s equals 5. Therefore, we have x minus this will be minus x equals 5 plus 3. 5 minus 3, sorry. You have 5 minus 3. You have minus s equals to what? 2. And s equals to minus 2. If s is minus 2, y is equal to 3 plus x. 3 plus what? X. Y is equal to 3 minus 2. Y equals to 1. S equals to minus 2. Now let's look at it whether it is right or not. Before we now watch, before we go down, let's look at this one. They said that, okay, let's come back here. Check from this side to see that whether it is right or not. If y is 1, then we have minus 2. We have minus 2 times, sorry, 2 times minus 2. We have 1 plus 4 to give us this. At the same time, then you can have your y is 1. This is minus 2. Minus times minus is plus. 1 plus 2 is what is 3. You can see it's correct, and that is right. Now let's quickly now find what they asked us to find. They said we should evaluate 2s plus y equals what? What is x? 2 into minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 4 plus 1 equals to minus 3. The evaluation given to us is equal to 2s plus y is equal to minus 3. That is the final answer of this question. Can you see? It is so simple. Very cheap. It's just like what? Give me popcorn. Let me look for the word cannot. That is it. And that is the end of today's episode. That is today's episode start. And I want you to learn from this. Can you see? A simple indices is lead to the simultaneous equation. Who knows? There is no question on this surface of the earth that doesn't have the word, that doesn't have the solution, except we don't call it a question. Any moment you see a question, if I could not solve it, then other people can solve it. And then if you can give a chance for a research, then we'll get the answer definitely. Thank you so much for listening to me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I once again say thank you to those who have shared this thing. I want to say thank you to those who have liked, who have commented on it, who always watch my video. I really appreciate you. I pray that the Lord will continue to make you succeed in whatever you think that you wish, whatever you want to be in the future. Yes, I shall see. Now, Kintoko Lawyer, when you Professor from Wiki, Abdulwakil Wiki, wherever you have, the Bayina Bangumi, Tamba share Toba Kanyi, the video, a member do have to remove video in Nipika, Lojoka, maybe 13 secret, Lodolong, Olong, Olalbaika, Pay, Emina Bimoshiri, Elesha Lawana, Pawana, Pay, Olong, Funny, Pay Anise, according to Paris. Ọlẹ́ ayọ̀ kó sọ nínú ìyàwó yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wí yẹn ni o. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà ọkùnrin wíkì yìí kálẹ́ṣẹ̀ kan ń bẹ Ọlọ́run bá wa parí fún. Kálẹ́ṣẹ̀ kan ń bẹ tí òbí jíjó kọ́ máa ti wáyé Ọlọ́run bá wa parí fún. Ọlọ́run jọmọ náà tètè wáyé kó wá jẹ́ qurrata hayyun waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Nǹkan lọ́wọ́ bá lè kí ọlá kó sí ọmọ náà fún wọn. Kọlọ́n kò yọ gbàgbé ẹ bá ń ṣe àfídíò yẹn tí ó kan ọkùnrin náà lára bí ó bá tètè kan lára wọn lọ́jọ́ kan ó ní orí fídíò yìí àmọ́ kìí ṣe kó kan lára náà làwa náà fẹ́ jẹ bí ọ̀jẹ̀ wípé kásádùá fún kádùá àgbẹ̀ ọgbà Ọlọ́run yóò ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Thank you so much.